you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be creating a look using the Juvia's Place The Tribe palette. The first shade I'm starting out with is Maasai, and I do apologize if I get any of these names incorrect. I'm just placing this shade on the brow bone area. Now I'm going in with the shade Tootsie, and I am just placing that in the crease area, kind of on the outer portion of the eye. Now taking Sun, I'm just placing that more deeper into that crease to kind of give it depth. Now going in with Kuba, I am placing that on the outer portion of the lid, and this is a beautiful metallic kind of deep bluish green. Now taking the shade Aromo, I'm just placing this right underneath the front of the brow. Now I'm taking the shade Ashanti, and that's just going to go right below Aromo. Next, I'm taking the shade Shaga, and that's just going to go right next to Kuba. And this is a very, very pretty kind of bronzed shade. Then we're going to finish the lid up using Koro on the inner portion of the eye. I lined my eyes using this forest green gel liner by Appeal Cosmetics, which kind of matches that deep shade on the outer portion of the eye. Now we're going to go in with Curla, and I'm just placing this on the front of the lower lash line area. This is a really pretty burnt orange kind of metallic shade. I added some lashes, did my brows, and also applied some liquid lipsticks. I'm using the same liquid lipsticks, which are by Hank & Henry, to do these circles. And then I felt like the look needed a little bit more, so I'm adding Go Get Glitter's Amber Lights glitter to the lower lash line area. And that is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.